Basic static drill. Rotate the rifle 90 degrees around its axis. Upon achieving positive seating of the magazine, move support the hand in shortest possible route to the charging handle. Pull the charging handle back.
Now on the issue of doing the magazine change without worrying about immediately restoring the magazine and saving it for later use. You may find yourself in a situation in, I guess the best term would be a running gun battle.
Basic static drill from the right shoulder. Performing this version of non-retention magazine change, rifle can be rotated 90 degrees before or after the ejection of the magazine to facilitate easier seating of the fresh magazine, or in case of a rifle being front-end heavy due to a presence of additional equipment, grenade launcher, optics, or other devices.
Which is to say that you're going to be working on changing a magazine after it went click instead of bang. Proactive is you're doing the magazine change before you hear the ominous click. When you extract the magazine, you work with the butt plate of the magazine to eject the spent magazine, rotate the magazine in, insert it, work the charging handle, continue on. One of the other controversial issues is a magazine arrangement like this. Having two magazines facing opposite directions. The purpose of this setup back in the primitive days was to double the amount of ammunition accessible to you immediately without having to go into your equipment, into your loadout gear, in the situations where amount of ammunition available immediately is important.